a do-or-die game between Leicester 3 and Leicester 6. We will win this afternoon. We'll go to finals. Here are the players for Leicester 3, wearing jersey number 26, Abada Marquis. Jersey number 15, Pazol John Lover. Wearing jersey number 2, Ginto Jeremy. Wearing jersey number 29, Victoriano Allen. Jersey number 13, Luna Christian. Jersey number 29, Bigalon Jacob. Jersey number 10, Bandera Jesus. Wearing jersey number 13, Ohelio Oginel. Wearing jersey number 18, Apolinario Giancarlo. Wearing jersey number 7, Tugay Jenwick. Wearing jersey number 48, Cochon Jeremy. Wearing jersey number 3, Reyes Antonio Jr. Jersey number 22, Palmero John David. Jersey number 1, Cruz John Marvin. Jersey number 11, Lee Christian. Coach, Carl Torero. Assistant coach, Abel Ramirez. Assistant, Danny Pandora. This is the players, coaching staffs of Leicester 3. Next, these are the players of Leicester 6, wearing jersey number 6, Alberto Christian. Jersey number 12, Yaneta Israel. Jersey number 28, Alberto Raymond. Jersey number 13, Maesa Dominic. Jersey number 14, Rivera Ruel Caparzon. Jersey number 17, Akala Junel. Jersey number 10, Quiñones Angelo. Jersey number 8, Lariosa Tomas. Jersey number 21, Aplitea Pablo. Jersey number 16, Villaflores Islay. Jersey number 24, Victoriano Ace. Jersey number 5, Arce Anton. Jersey number 27, Villaflores Armen. Jersey number 50, Valero Kevin. Jersey number 11, Kama Christian. Coach, Arnold Arlea. Assistant coach, Joel Abeliana and Renate Ranyana. And their escort, Vincent Babata. Here is the player of Leicester 6. Players, coaches, and staff. Our officiating officials, Mr. Al Fernandez, Mr. Marlon Egap, and Sir John